Hey everyone, so I was going to try to attempt to make one of those designer paper gift bags. And so what I did was I went on Google and I found the image that I wanted to replicate. And I wanted to show you the first part of the process. So you always want to find your image, and I'm not selling this, I'm giving this away as a gift. So you want to find your image off of Google, and you want to basically get this white from around your image. So how you do that in Silhouette is you go over here to your right hand side to your trace panel, select trace area, and you want to click and drag over your entire image, and then you let go. And you see that yellow, that's what is actually going to trace, but it's not all highlighted in yellow. So you want to go to your threshold, take it up until most of it is yellow, and then you want to hit trace and detach. So what that did is you can now click on your bag, and it's now detached from this white extra area. So all I do is I click and drag over all of that and I hit delete. Okay, and so now you see that this white is left over. We don't want that. Well, I don't want that. So what I'm going to do is kind of repeat the same process, and you want to hit select trace area, click and drag over that, just that part. So now that you see the yellow is around it, I'm going to take up my threshold just enough to make sure all the lines in the inside are going to be connected, and it is. So this time, instead of hitting trace and detach, we want to just hit trace, and what that does is just gives us this outline of it. So let's undo that. We want to keep it where it is, and I want to click that outline area, right click, and hit release compound path, and that releases all of the little dots and everything that's attached to each other, so they're now separate lines. All right, and I want to keep this inside red line. I don't know if you can see it, but zoom in and you see that red line going all the way around. I want to keep that, but I want to delete all the other outside red lines. So let's zoom back out, and you do that by going to the top right there and your zoom out button. And then I'm going to, let's see, there's several ways you can do this, but I'm going to click and drag all of everything. I'm going to hold down shift and click on my purse. That's going to deselect that purse. I'm going to click that red outline. That's going to deselect that. And now that left only the red lines that I don't want. So I'm just going to hit delete. Now if you zoom in, you can see that that red line is still there, the outline. Okay. So now I'm going to click and drag my purse and that red line. We're going to go over here to the right hand side and modify panel. And we're going to subtract because we want to take out this white area. And we hit subtract. And now that area is gone. So that's how I trace and detach my objects. Hope that helps. Bye.